How to watch 50 Shades of Grey online free. Hi everyone, it's Mac here, and on this video I will be guiding you how to watch 50 Shades of Grey for online for free. So there are some of the platform that allows you to watch 50 Shades of Grey online for free. So now what you can do is you can either rent or purchase some of the applications like Amazon, iTunes or Google Play, and you can easily watch the 50 Shades of Grey for free on those applications or by renting on those applications. So basically, if you are the citizen of India, then you can easily install the Geo Cinema. For that, you need to go to the Play Store and you need to search for Geo Cinema on the search bar. As you can see that this app is not available on Google Play in my region. So if you have this applicable available on your Google Play in your region, then you can easily download this app and then you can watch 50 Shades of Grey online for free. But in my case this is not available, so I'm not able to watch it on Geo Cinema. So the other app is the Voodoo app. You need to just open the application if you have, then on that Voodoo website as well or the Google Play, you can easily watch 50 Shades of Grey online for free. So these are some of the apps you can easily download and watch the 50 Shades of Grey online for free or by renting the wave. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe for more updates.